Welcome back. He's still inside Business Africa, Africa's business news and information leader. Thanks for staying with us. Sona Group of Industries, one of Nigeria's greatest conglomerates, has taken corporate social responsibility to a new level. He had a very important head talk at Ota, his catchment areas, at some hospitals, teaching children how to take care of themselves, especially with the outbreak of COVID-19 all over the world. Take a listen. Experts at a head talk organized by Sona Group of Industries on malnutrition and COVID-19 pandemics have advised the school owners and governments to take the necessary precautionary measures to ensure safety of children and the community, and for government not to rest on their oars in the effort to mitigate the impact of the diseases on not only the children but also on the economy. The head talk designed to highlight the implications of malnutrition and COVID-19 on the overall well-being of the children and Nigeria, and prefer minimum standards and precautionary measures that would help mitigate the impact of the virus, was held in Ota, Ogun State. Speaking on the measure is Dr. Olufunsho Seye, Medical Director, ST.SHILOH Medical Center.
I would like to appreciate Sona Agro Food Limited for this laudable program that they have done today to our children. This is corporate social responsibility which they have identified in the society. I say it's highly commendable, and we cannot say much than to say they should continue with the good works.
Sona Group of Industries, a Nigerian conglomerate, consistently put corporate social responsibility at the front burner, where the welfare of the consumers and the community where it operates is paramount.
I appreciate the efforts our company is doing towards the society of Nigerian, and I appreciate the same for our community members and ST.SHILOH Hospital. The doctors came and cooperated with us. It's a very big thing. We all of us can together then hit this coronavirus. Otherwise, it is not possible by one step. This is important to take this step with all of us, by all of us, and it is very important to be secured first. And I think children are the best way we can make them aware about this coronavirus, and it is very important to know about it, because previously, as we all know, that around the world so many people are dying because of this, because they are not aware about these symptoms and all.
I would like to thank Katmed School and ST.SHILOH Medical Center for coming together on this particular noble cause, which we all know is a global pandemic now, this corona disease. And it gave us an opportunity to be in touch with the children once again, because we are very close to them with the products which we manufacture, and these are very tasty products, delicious products, which are patronized by most of the children. Like we have thin crackers, malty biscuits, then biscuits, a whole range of biscuits.
Schools present at the event include Career Builder School, Catmin School, Divine Care Private School, all represented by the proprietress.
I want to appreciate the organizers of this program for having the children in mind, recognizing the fact that knowledge is power. So they have come to sensitize all the children in this wonderful program on how to prevent coronavirus.
We want to appreciate Sona Agro Limited for these corporate social responsibilities. They've come this morning to sensitize and to educate our children on how to put a stop to the spread of this virus disease called the coronavirus. They taught the children how to wash their hands. They were taught how to relate with each other. And when there is a symptom, how to identify it. And I think prevention is better than cure. All what we have come to do is to ensure that we prevent the spread of this disease.